A long time ago, a man from Baghdad came to Hausa land. His name was Bagida. He arrived in Daura. Queen Daurama reigned there, and a giant snake prevented people from gaining access to their only well. Bagida killed the snake and quenched his thirst. Then he married the queen. Their first son was Bao. Bao had 6 children. They went out and founded the Hausa kingdoms. The 7 original Hausa cities are Daura, then Katsina, Birom, Auyu, Remo, Zazau, and Kano.
Kano, like I said, that initially is one of the 7 Hausa states. Initially, it started from the hill of Dala, which is supposed to be an iron ore prospector settlement. From there, different wards or quarters, they are called Ungwani in Hausa, grew. Because of the iron ore deposits and the market, it was serving as a link. It grew and attracted people from all over the Western Sudan itself. For they smelt the iron ore and make various implements for farming and for other occupations, including warfare.
People were actually producing iron ore and melting from the raw material.
Yes, they melt iron ore here in Kano since 800. The general classification is that of Hausas, who are the original settlers, and then the Fulanis who came after the Jihad of Usman and Fodio in 1800. The Hausa section generally is closer to the foot of the hill, and it is there, in fact, that the international market, Kurmi market, is situated. The city walls actually were first erected by Gijmasu, Serki Gijmasu in 1100 AD. Emir Gijmasu had the singular honor of first erecting this fortification around Kano city from 1100 BC IAC AD to about 1907. This city walls went about 4 extensions. After the Fulani Jihad of 1800, they adopted the Hausa kingship system. This emiral institution actually has its root from the kingship of the Habi, who were dislodged by the Fulani jihadists because of their pagan practices, or in some cases, so most of the Habi rulers actually during the time of the jihad were Muslims, but because they were mixing Islamic practices with pagan practices, the jihadists had an excuse to dislodge them and took over the reins of leadership. But largely, most of the aspects of the kingship are maintained, like the ceremonies, the things that the emirs wear, their mode of dressing, and other attitudes or behavior or other ethics that are expected of an emir in court and so on.